If you've been here before, you've, of course, been asked, what's it like? No matter who you are, though, the answer is universal. The words might get stuck in your throat, but they're strangely inadequate anyway.
First rule of golf is to play as much of it as possible. So I'm going to be hitting hundreds, if not thousands of balls today. That's how we do it.
It's not the same video as last year, it's just the same outlook.
What you hear.
Yes, got a bit of that.
What you smell and what you taste. This week is all about how it makes you feel.
Ben Crenshaw has won the Masters for a second time.
Yeah, I forgot that. Well,
As a player,
in one group,
add that to the understanding of what this week could mean. If this is your first time, you're about to find out. If you've been here before, it hasn't changed. Today is the first day of the indescribable week we've been waiting for.
Nice. Oh, here we go. Sponsored by Nike. I mean,
yeah, I can see from that the two boys who were meant to carry us topped it, one hooked it, and somehow I've managed to get a swing through. Cheers, let's all up from here. It's not a... That's... As we've started, an absolute terror of a front's come through. So apologies for some of the early quality. And as you can hear, and as I can feel, I'm wet. Oh, that is... If he was a magpie on heat, he's now a frozen one. Tell you what, he's made good contact, but... oh, Sammy. Look, there's a possible chance as well that the B team, as they're called because they're second, and that does mean they're inferior, should talk Central, may not have filmed the first hole. If we can scrounge a par out of it after probably some lost shot footage, which, to be fair, you're not missing a lot, we might be saved by ads this whole hole. Actually, to my credit, I did hit a drive better than anyone else. Well, that's right of the hole, but get a run on.
that's it. That's the money. Good shot.
Get out. All right, that's where I'm at. Short game.
Easy,
Yes,
easy. Don't have to.
All right, whose shots did we take there? So we had mine,
Yours.
Ads,
Mine.
Sammy,
Yours.
me and me. Me and me.
So your first one.
Woo.
How are you? The group in front of us, they're doing what's called earthing. They're spending a lot of time in the bushes and the trees. I'm surprised they don't have the shoes off. Yeah, it's good for them.
Well, good luck, you miss it. We had a 5.
You got a 5?
Mate, we scraped a 5.
That's a fighting effort. I appreciate that.
Joke's on them, we had an eagle. Oh, that is so good. Oh, nearly dropped. Oh, that's well hit, but... oh, John Daly, yes. All right, it is right to left. You need legs. So... Get. Oh. Didn't get it, he's too quick. Those dark horses run wild.
Yeah, hi, is that the course marshal? Yeah, we got a slow group in front of us. If you can get someone out here to speed them up, that would be great. Bitches in front of us. Thank you, cheers. I'll come round.
Oh, thank God. How was that, mate? How was that?
Come on with the wind. Come with the wind. That looks good. Kick right. Fading. That does look good. Oh, look, it runs. All right.
Not bad.
Go, 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 go. That is a great putt. I take everything.
Bit of muscle. That's the money. That's the money ball. Go, go, go. Oh.
Reporting into the clubhouse, a certain member who was presenting his nipples before the first tee has zero call or care for Group A. Hit the cart.
I'm gonna teach those boys and girls over in Iraq what the meaning of freedom is. Now watch this drive. Is that in the pond? I think it's in the pond.
Oh, wind behind. Look at that. Absolutely launch. And he's back. I don't know if you saw that hit from Ads, but it needed a passport. Got the pull. Oh, that looks... Yeah, that's not right of it.
That's it. That's it.
Oh, that's good too. Nope. And that's why you're here, mate. That's why you're here.
Captain. 170. Downwind.
170.
It's like 17 cups left.
The wind will catch.
Oh.
Yeah, that's it.
Dustin Johnson, here at the Rossdale Masters. That's what. Oh, okay. All right, we're gonna have to go bang at it. You.
Can someone pick it up for me?
Oh, I didn't lose it. Didn't really go anywhere.
Get in the sinkhole.
That is delicious. No, that's going to be fine. Look at that.
Get in the hole.
Look at that.
That's exactly what I meant to do there. Yeah.
Yeah, that is going to be okay.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
It's actually another tough hole. I think it's the second hardest on the course.
Oh. Oh, that's a shape that I love. And he didn't disappoint. He's hit the fairway. Yeah, that's exactly what I meant. Okay, that's far right. Missed the first two, it doesn't matter because we're going to take this bad boy. That looks pretty fucking handy. Oh, that's a good part. That is good. Tap it in, we'll call it a bogey and we'll have two more shots to lock it in.
Right to left.
Right to left. 2 cups, I reckon, is how, what you said you didn't follow.
This is disgusting. Pull up. Alright JT, it's all on you. Bit short. Always looks like I'm playing this one on my own.
Wow.
I'll come back with a win. Nah, that is into it and hurting. Yeah, they're middies.
Go.
Oh, Johnny! Really good. All right, we've saved the par. Hold on, ads. I mean DJ. Dark horse. That's a good line, if it gets there. From the clouds. Absolutely pulled it from the clouds. I think they're about to do a drive-by. Let's just get an interview quickly from big man DJ Dark Horse Johnson. How do you feel about that?
Well, we played the upslope. We decided to take a closer ball. Took the risk, got the reward.
Smash.
That's it.
Oh!
Half a cup. Money. Oh.
Oh, you beauty. Get there and sit up on it. Too far. Yeah, same. Just too far. Oh, it's gonna go.
Hit it.
Oh!
Hit it.
Oh! Okay, well, that'll be on the footage.
Not that much.
Yeah. Yep, see. Oh. John!
Oh.
Too hard.
Right.
Well done, it's a bogey. I think we're 3 over.
Quick summary.
3 near the green and 1 off to the mean.
The fuck even is that? So it should be better, but we're not.
I hope they're over the card, because if they're not, we're fucked.
Hey, your first honest hole of the game. Your first honest hole of the game. Oh, yeah.
Couple of hand wedges.
Where were you on that?